Check. I think you finally met your final destination. What up? Cray TV, best production, getting fucked up 24/7. Yeah, what it do? Shout out to all my people, friends, family, what the fuck. Yeah, I'm way too fast, and this shit I call magic. Math confusing. I don't think you understand the cause of confusion in your brain. Yeah, math illusion. What's the matter? You've been in the desert too long. Nah, that's a facade. I don't think you understand. I got you locked off like physical freaking force. I don't think you understand, bitch. This ain't playing around. It's like your last lifestyle. You can call it a divorce. And we ain't even been married yet. I don't think you understand. I don't sweat shit. I'm a vet. Fuck a bitch. I make her wet. In one flick of the tongue. Listen, I ain't done. Yeah, you hate me. That's okay, bitch. I ain't scared of shit or nothing. I carry a gun. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, you ain't relating on this. That's because you probably pissed. Your man tripping on you cause I'm full-fledged. Put you out on blast. Give a fuck, bitch. I put it out there, yeah, I fucked your ass. Show some pictures off. Give a fuck what? Put you on. What? I'm on another level now. Cray, give a fuck. What? You better step on up. When I come in this music game, I ain't playing. Most MCs fucking lame. Really, I'm laying them down, slaying. Call me the Dragon Slayer. I take the heart out and eat it. Give a fuck, boy, in the street. Yeah, I beat it all the time, motherfucker. I give a fuck. I competed on this mic. Give a fuck. Pussy to me is nothing. I fucking swear to God, I fuck so much. I ain't even ready for this shit. I don't give a full erection. Sometimes I feel like I'm impotent when it comes to a bitch. Cause I get so much pussy, I can give a fuck about money, M.O.B. Fuck a bitch, you can suck on my dick. You better make that shit stand like a tree. Better get me off if she fucking keeping me around on the tip. For real, give a fuck, boy. I keep this shit real. Kill a bitch, tell her just ahead. Motherfucker, I ain't playing around in the bed. Bitches already know she better get the head. I ain't playing around, I'm playing for pussy. And I ain't paying for pussy. Motherfucker, got the game mixed up. You know, crazy lyricist on this shit. Such and such, give a fuck. I'm fucking busting nuts. All bitches even in their butts. I ain't even trying to say I ain't no, but motherfucker, I get that brain like it's the same on every girl when they pick it up. Giddy up, go. Motherfucker, I ain't on slow-mo. Bitch, you already know I got you deep. I ain't playing around, you know my dick creep. Fucking yard, I feel that shit seep. Fucking butt leak from that shit that seep. Yeah, that shit coming down. Yeah, I got it on the bed sheet now. Puddle, give a fuck. I ain't making squirt yet. I pull my dick out and just flirt with the head. Fuck you, bitch. Got you screaming in my bed, and I ain't even the dope yet. Bitch, we hit the ball, get fucked up, spin on the pookie, spun ducky woo woo. What the fuck do you know about that and what it do? This is the D, straight dookie, fucking dirty. Tell you what, I wake up early in the morning, cray in the bitch outro. Good night, bro.